So the website I'm on is MVD New Mexico, mvd.newmexico.gov, under the commercial. So mvd.newmexico.gov/commercial vehicles weight distance is the website here. Weight distance. Log on. Enter your password. That would probably be the easiest. Authenticator app, or yeah, when you first go into these websites, you can choose like these authenticator apps to use or a text message. I set up both, or an email. I set up all of them just in case. Okay. Under the corporate officers panel, select manage officers to verify your officer information. I'm guessing it might be under more. Under manage officers. Corporate officers. Submit. Print confirmation page. I'm not printing that. That doesn't seem that important. Okay. 2025 return, quarterly due. So this is what we're doing here. Is the file now. So you have all these options for your account, permits, one active permit. Okay, let's file. Let's do this, get this done. I gotta get out of here. My alarm went off. So, weight distance tax. Purpose. The number of miles driven in New Mexico, carriers must have a valid weight distance permit for each vehicle. So I'm going to have to use my IFTA. The stuff I just did for my IFTA, I'm going to have to do that. Okay. Port of entry miles paid. I haven't paid any net. Okay, so I need to pull up my IFTA filing I just did. Add. One-way. Total New Mexico miles. So this one-way thing, I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to put in my totals, but I might be able to do half of this. If you look into this one-way, so I own 36 bucks. But so I paid for an overweight permit specifically. So all the miles I've driven through New Mexico were at like 85,000 pounds. But that you're paying for that permit separately from this. So this is what my truck is classified at. So that's what I'm doing here. Total New Mexico miles, one way. One way. Let's just search that. Because I was one way. New Mexico one way miles. Because I deadheaded back. New Mexico's rules for mandatory mileage reimbursement for New Mexico weight distance tax one-way miles. For one-way, no load at least 45% of the time. Well, you know what? I can't do this because it's this percentage. So when I was loaded, I came through and crossed a large portion of the state because I crossed in from Highway 54 and went all the way down through Alamogordo and came out left on I-10. And when I came back through, all I did was come straight through I-10. So I had too many loaded miles to do that. So I'm just going to do pay the full amount. So I owe them $37. That's pretty expensive, New Mexico. That's pretty expensive. E-check. Confirm amount. 36.99. Use my default. Yep, that's good. They saved that information. Unit time. Okay, that's your house. Address has been verified. Note if you have a debit block filter. Okay. Password required. Confirmation. Yep. Print. Okay, so you got your confirmation, you print it, and you're good to go. So that's New Mexico. And we'll do, next up, I'm going to do let me close this thing out. Okay, so just to review again, how I got to this was mvd.newmexico.gov, commercial/commercial vehicles weight distance. So that's this tab here. Then once you're on here, you go to MVD Online Services. That pulls this up. Click here to start over. That'll pull this web page. So the actual website where you're doing the filing is tap.state.newmexico.us. You log in here. And you go through the process. I already went through that. I'm not going to go through it again, but y'all should have seen it the first time through. Alrighty, next up we'll do New York, Connecticut, and then Oregon I'll probably save for the last one.